Hello, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Mohammed Amin.
Do you understand English, but when someone asks you a question, you suddenly forget what to say?
Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners have the same problem.
In today's video, we're going to explain why this happens and show you some simple ways to start speaking English more confidently.
So, listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice with us.
Let's get started.
Today, we're going to talk about a very common problem.
Yes, a problem that many English learners have.
You can understand English.
But you cannot speak English easily.
Exactly.
You can watch English videos.
You can understand some English songs.
You can read English.
But when someone asks you a question in English,
You suddenly forget everything.
yes, you know the words, but you cannot say them.
So today, we're going to talk about why this happens and what you can do about it.
And don't worry, we're going to use very simple English.
So listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice with us.
Let's begin.
Mohammed Amin, can I ask you a question?
Sure, go ahead.
What did you do today?
Uh,
See, don't rush.
Wait, I know the answer.
That you don't know how to say it?
Exactly.
This happens to many English learners.
Yes, sometimes I know what I want to say in my mind.
But when I ask you in English, you need time to answer.
Yes, I think in my first language first,
Then you translate it into English.
and that takes time.
Exactly.
So, if someone asks me, "What did you do today?"
What do you do?
I first think in my own language.
Then,
Then, I translate my answer into English.
and while you're translating,
The other person is waiting.
exactly.
That makes me nervous.
And when you are nervous,
I forget even simple words.
that's the problem. Part 2. Why does this happen?
So, Alex, why does this happen?
Because knowing English and using English are two different things.
Can you explain that simply?
Of course.
I'm listening.
Imagine you know how to ride a bicycle.
Okay.
You can watch someone ride a bicycle.
Yes.
You can read about riding a bicycle.
Yes.
But can you ride a bicycle just because you watched someone?
No.
You have to practice.
Right.
English is similar.
So, learning English is not enough.
Exactly.
I need to use English.
Yes.
I need to speak English.
Yes.
I need to practice English.
Exactly. Part 3. Stop waiting for perfect English.
I think another problem is that learners want to speak perfect English.
That's a big problem.
Sometimes I think, my grammar isn't perfect, I shouldn't speak.
Don't wait for perfect English.
Why?
Because you become better by speaking.
So, I don't need perfect grammar before I start speaking?
No.
I can make mistakes?
Of course.
Even many mistakes?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, mistakes are part of learning.
That's a very important sentence.
Say it again.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Good.
Let me say another one.
Go ahead.
I don't need perfect English. I need regular practice.
Excellent. Part 4. Think in simple English.
So, what should we do every day?
First, start thinking in simple English.
But thinking in English is difficult.
Don't start with difficult sentences.
What should I start with?
Start with the things around you.
For example,
Look around your room.
okay,
What you can see.
I can see a chair.
Good.
I can see a table.
Good.
I can say a door.
Good.
I can see a window.
Perfect.
That's easy.
Exactly. Start with easy.
What else can I say?
You can say what you are doing.
For example,
I am sitting.
I am sitting.
I am eating food.
I am eating food.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am watching a video.
I am watching a video.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
See, you are thinking in English. Part 5. Talk to yourself.
Alex, what about speaking to myself?
That's a great way to practice.
But isn't it strange?
Maybe it feels strange at first.
What should I talk about?
Talk about your daily life.
For example,
When you wake up, say,
I just woke up.
good,
I'm going to brush my teeth.
good,
Now I'm having breakfast.
excellent,
Now I am going to school.
perfect,
When I come back home, I will study.
very good,
So I can practice English during my normal day.
exactly,
I don't need a special place.
correct,
I don't need a teacher all the time.
correct,
I can practice wherever I am.
exactly. Part 6. Use simple sentences.
I have another question.
Sure,
Should I learn long sentences?
not at the beginning.
Why?
Because simple sentences are easier to remember and use.
Can you give me an example?
Instead of trying to say a very long sentence, start with, I am tired.
I am tired.
Then, I need some rest.
I need some rest.
Then, I will study later.
I will study later.
3 simple sentences.
And they are easy.
Exactly.
So, simple English is not bad English.
That's right.
Simple English is useful English.
Exactly. Part 7. Listen and repeat.
Now, let's do a small speaking practice.
Good idea.
Everyone listening, get ready.
Listen first.
Then repeat.
Let's begin.
I am learning English.
I practice every day. I am not afraid of mistakes. I can speak simple English.
I will improve step by step.
I don't need to be perfect.
I just need to practice.
Excellent.
Part 8. A real conversation. Let's imagine we're meeting for the first time.
Okay.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Mohammed Amin.
Nice to meet you, Muhammad Amin.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh. How about you?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a student.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
That's nice.
How about you?
I like playing football and learning English.
Why are you learning English?
Because I want to communicate with more people.
That's a great reason.
Thank you.
See?
That was simple.
Exactly.
We don't need difficult words.
We just need useful words. Part 9. Don't translate every word.
There's another thing learners do.
What?
They translate every single word.
Yes.
For example, they hear a sentence,
Then they translate it.
then they think about grammar,
Then they look for the correct word.
and by that time,
The conversation is already finished.
exactly.
Try to understand the meaning instead.
How?
Use pictures and situations.
For example,
If you hear, I'm hungry, don't translate every word.
just understand the meaning.
Exactly.
Imagine yourself feeling hungry.
Right.
Then English becomes connected to the situation.
Yes. Pause 2 seconds. Part 10. Your daily practice.
Okay, Alex, give us a simple daily plan.
Sure.
I'm ready.
First, listen to English for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Second, repeat what you hear.
Repeat what I hear.
Third, speak to yourself for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Fourth, learn a few useful phrases.
Not hundreds of words.
No, you don't need hundreds every day.
So I should focus on useful words.
Exactly.
And the fifth step?
Use those words in your own sentences.
That's important.
Very important.
Learn it.
Use it
Repeat it.
and keep practicing. Pause 2 seconds. Part 11. Don't give up.
Sometimes English feels difficult.
Yes,
Sometimes I feel like I'm not improving.
many learners feel that way.
What should I do?
Keep going,
Even when I make mistakes?
especially then,
Why?
because every mistake can teach you something.
So I shouldn't be ashamed of mistakes.
No,
I should learn from them
exactly.
and practice again,
Yes,
step by step,
day by day.
one sentence at a time.
That's how you improve. Pause 2 seconds. Part 12. Final speaking practice.
Before we finish, let's practice one more time.
This time, imagine you're talking to yourself.
Repeat after me.
I can learn English.
I can speak English.
I don't have to be perfect.
I can make mistakes.
I will learn from my mistakes.
I will practice every day.
I will improve step by step.
And I will not give up.
Excellent.
So, what did we learn today?
We learned that understanding English and speaking English are different skills.
We learned that practice is important.
We learned to think in simple English.
We learned to speak to ourselves.
We learned to use simple sentences.
And most importantly,
Don't wait for perfect English.
start speaking now.
Make mistakes.
Learn from them.
And keep practicing.
If you enjoyed this English practice, keep learning with us here on this channel.
Listen, repeat, speak, and improve.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you in the next video. Please subscribe this channel to learn more.
Keep learning and keep speaking English.
Bay.
Bay.